This is Innovledia.
Okay, so this is the end of this course, but a new beginning for you, where you can visually express your imagination, your creativity, your ideas, and show it to people what it looks like. This is one of the most creative career where you have the power to create anything that comes to your mind. And let me tell you that this course took over 1 year to complete. I had to work day and night every day endlessly to make it as better as possible so that you get the best of what you deserve. And all of this is totally worthless if you don't make any use of it or take it to the next level and be someone even better than me. Okay, so I am hoping that you have learned a lot of things by now, especially all the topics that I have covered in this course. Now, if you would like to learn more or still have some doubts, you can visit our channel on YouTube. I keep posting a lot of videos there on Maya. I will definitely try to help you there as far as I can. And if you are thinking what should be the best thing for you to do now after completing this course, then I would recommend you to spend at least a few months of time practicing what you have learned. Because the more you practice, the greater is the confidence you are going to have when you apply for a job or work on a project. You can also enroll in some advanced courses that focus on a particular aspect of 3D animation, like a course on just modeling, or lighting, texturing, rigging, animation, and so on. Don't always go for complete courses, because in those, not every topic can be covered in detail, as possible in a specific course. If you like modeling, you can take a course on modeling. That's what I mean. This will help you gain more skills and you will become capable of doing more advanced things than this. So, don't just rush into getting a job right now. Take some time and spend it in growing your skills. You can also work as a freelance artist if you want to gain some experience and earn some money. Definitely, there are a lot of choices to make, and you should always choose the path on which you really feel confident from inside. Because in the end, the success of anything depends on your willingness, how desperately you want to do it. And my last words will be unleash your potential and never give up. Okay? So with this, it is time to say goodbye and see you in my next course. Thank you.